Hello everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of two awesome static site generators, Eleventy and Astro. Let's break them down and see what each one offers and then see how they stack up for different use cases. First up, we have Eleventy. It's a JavaScript-based static site generator known for its simplicity and flexibility. Eleventy transforms templates supporting multiple languages like Nunjucks, Handlebars, and Liquid into static HTML. It's zero config by default, letting you just use HTML and CSS, but it's highly customizable for advanced users. Eleventy shines for content-heavy sites like blogs or documentations, offering blazing fast build times and no client-side JavaScript by default, which does boost performance. Next, we have Astro. This modern framework is designed for fast, content-driven websites. Astro uses a hybrid rendering model combining static site generation with optional server-side or client-side rendering. It supports components from React, Vue, or Svelte, and its island architecture sends minimal JavaScript to the client, optimizing load times. Astro's file-based routing and built-in optimizations like automatic CSS and JS bundling make it beginner-friendly and great for interactive sites. So, how do they compare? Eleventy is simpler, ideal for developers who want full control and minimal setup. Astro is more feature-rich, supporting multiple frameworks and partial hydration, perfect for dynamic, content-heavy sites with some interactivity. Eleventy's build times are faster, but Astro's ecosystem and documentation are more robust. Choose Eleventy for straightforward, performance-focused projects, and pick Astro for flexibility and modern framework integration. Here's a quick comparison chart to sum it up. That's it, guys. Eleventy for simplicity and speed, Astro for versatility and interactivity. Let us know which one's your pick in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you next time.